Hi, I am Alexin. Welcome to Productive Phone Channel, where you get inspirations on how to use your mobile phone to improve your life. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is an awesome phone in so many ways, but there are some concerns depending on what you are using it for. I will suggest some tips to overcome the so-called flaws so that you can get maximum result from this phone. There are two versions of processors, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 for the USA, China and Korea consumers, while they use Exynos 2100 for the international version. On paper, these two chipsets look pretty close, so we are going to assume they both perform equally well. First of all, S21 Ultra is 5G compatible processor. S21 Ultra offers display which is 25% fast wireless connections for high performance, subject to the network and 120 Hz refresh rate, which is amazing for gaming, photo and video editing. The display is constructed using durable Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Battery's capacity has increased to 5,000 unit power, with the support of 25 watts fast charging capability. This is a welcome feature, which allows longer battery life for those on the go outdoor. Another welcome, optional feature is the capability of using the S Pen. This feature will attract those creative people who need more precision in their creative work such as photo and video editing. The main attraction of S21 Ultra for many Samsung fans, including myself, will be its pro camera and video capabilities. This camera phone comes with 4 rear camera lenses, namely the 12 megapixels ultra wide-angle lens, 108 megapixels wide-angle lens, 10 megapixels 3x optical zoom lens and finally the 10x optical telephoto lens. For the selfie fanatics, the front lens has the resolution of 40 megapixels. The amazing thing is that they are all capable of recording videos up to 4K 60 FPS. In addition, the main lens can record 8K 24 FPS videos. The addition of the zoom telephoto lenses are great for capturing far-away images you can get close. They also serve as excellent portrait photos. Along with the main wide-angle lens, these zoom lenses are equipped with optical stabilization to get those perfect sharp images in trying shooting conditions. The most complained about S21 Ultra by Samsung fans are the non-inclusion of a battery charger. They include the USB-C cable, which I found to be not compatible with the old USB charger. Unless you buy their Galaxy Buds Pro, which comes with a USB-C cable suitable for the old USB charger, you need to either buy their newly released fast charger or the Samsung version of USB-C to USB cable. Additionally, S21 Ultra does not have external card support, which is inconsiderate for Samsung to do because this flagship phone is capable of high resolution of 4K and 8K videos. This leaves videographer or mobile filmmakers no options but to buy the 512 GB storage version of the phone. The highest storage offered by Samsung on S21 Ultra may not be even enough and perhaps needing extra from the cloud service. Another annoying thing is that Samsung also take away the earphone jack. Surprising thing I found is that this phone system uses a lot of storage, nearly 50 gigs to be exact. This is a lot for storing phone operating system. Without any applications on, the phone has also used up high memory, about 5 to 6 gigs of RAM. If you are keen to buy Samsung S21 Ultra despite the lacks of some features, make sure you buy the highest specifications, namely 512 GB storage and 16 GB RAM, especially if you are keen on using its pro camera and video capabilities. The reason you want to do this is because the phone S system seems to be RAM intensive. I recommend using the best shooting settings, especially for recording videos. 8K can be resource intensive. My suggestion is to shoot in 4K, higher frames per second in most shooting conditions for editing and 4K to highest frame per second for the film look. For sports, use 4K 60 frames per second for editing into slow-motion videos. Coming from an enthusiast photographer, I also suggest utilizing the Pro mode for fun shooting. Unfortunately, this mode is only available in wide and ultra-wide-angle lenses. The manual control allows the balancing adjustment between the shutter speed and ISO. As a guide, use maximum ISO of 200 if possible and adjust the speed accordingly to get the correct exposure. It is recommended to use only the 3x or 10x optical zooming. This is because if you use say 4x zooming, digital magnification may be used to get the effect. Digital zooming affects image quality.
Please comment or like. Also, please turn on the notification bell to get more videos from us. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.